Now I'm going to show you a fixed wing drone here. This is about a meter, a little bit more than a meter wide, and it has vertical takeoff and landing. It requires a bigger space. It's not very practical to launch off a boat unless it's a very large boat. It does carry a larger camera because the vehicle is very large and the motors are very powerful. It takes off vertical and then it transitions to a horizontal position and can fly up to 60 minutes. And that maps a really large area, much larger than the typical multi-rotor drones. With this type of drone, you can map 5 to 10 square kilometers. And it's a lot quieter, so it's better for not disturbing wildlife. It's got some other advantages that there's less moving parts. It is bigger. It's really suited for mapping larger areas than the multi-rotor drone, but you do need to have a larger area to be able to maneuver.